Today we're diving into Perplexity Pro. If you've been curious about AI tools that promise to enhance your productivity, you might be wondering if this one is worth your time and money. Let's find out together. Perplexity Pro is an AI-powered tool designed to streamline your information search and retrieval. At its core, it combines natural language processing with an intuitive interface, allowing users to ask questions and receive detailed, contextually relevant answers almost instantly. Navigating the platform feels surprisingly user-friendly, even for those who might not be tech-savvy. You can type in your queries just like you would in the conversation, and the AI works to provide comprehensive responses. This makes it particularly appealing for students, researchers, or anyone who often finds themselves sifting through mountains of information. However, while the interface is sleek and responsive, there are moments when the answers can feel a bit generic or not fully aligned with the query. It's also worth noting that the depth of information can vary greatly depending on the topic. For users looking for specialized knowledge, this could be a point of concern. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Perplexity Pro excels in providing quick and straightforward answers, which can save you time. It's also great for casual inquiries and can be a handy tool for brainstorming or idea generation. However, there are some frustrations. The AI sometimes lacks depth in its responses, especially for complex topics, which might leave advanced users wanting more. Additionally, the pricing structure isn't entirely clear, which could deter some potential users. Trust signals are also a bit weak. While the technology is promising, there isn't a wealth of user feedback available yet. If you're someone who needs robust, in-depth analysis regularly, you might find it lacking. But for casual users or those needing quick info, it could be a solid choice. In conclusion, Perplexity Pro is worth a try if you're looking for a fast and easy way to get information. However, if you require detailed insights or specialized knowledge, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a promising tool but comes with some caveats that you should consider before diving